is an island-style inspired noodle salad, a combination of marinated zingy ginger sesame noodles, vegetables, tortilla strips, and toasted almonds. The ingredients don't have exact measurements. For the protein, I used chicken and shrimp. You just want to make sure that when you do cut the vegetables that everything looks somewhat similar. Here I have linguine noodles cooked according to its package for about 10 minutes, and then I'll drain and rinse under cold water to stop the cooking. The dressing is fairly simple. All you need is olive oil, rice wine vinegar, sesame oil, salt and pepper. Some people add garlic powder, ginger, and I finely chopped the ginger and I'm just whisking it all. I'm cooking the shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You can also use pre-cooked shrimp. In a serving bowl, add your noodles, spring mix salad, grilled chicken breast, zucchini, red bell pepper, cilantro, red onions, jalapenos, tortilla strips, and toasted almonds. Place about 8 pieces of shrimp on a skewer stick and pour the dressing on top. To keep the vegetables crisp, the noodles should always be placed at the bottom. You can also add the dressing to the noodles prior to adding all the vegetables to marinate the noodles a little bit longer, or you can just drizzle as needed, just as I did here. You guys, this sesame ginger dressing pairs really well with the peanut sauce. It just allows the salad to be more creamier and it brings out all the flavors. But if you're not a peanut sauce fan, that is totally okay. You can add a tablespoon of brown sugar to the dressing that we did earlier, and this will balance out everything. Enjoy. Follow me on Instagram at Reese's Recipes for more easy, simple, and delicious recipes. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Many blessings, friends.